I know you haven't played this in a while, and I've played it probably more recently than you have, but
Do we start at the title screen?
Yeah, might as well. Dude, I don't even remember the space route.
I don't either.
Because I don't think I ever got.
No, maybe I do.
I never got a PB with the new route. Like the one the like newly theorized one, right?
No, okay, I know. It's you make it to the first spinner, you spin, you use that momentum across the gold platforms, go over there, jump down, grab the thing at the bottom, I think it is, and then you do like the 15 jump strategy.
Right.
But I mean, do whatever you remember or feel comfortable with. I don't know if you remember anything, but
dude, I'll do what I can. Yeah, I'll see what I remember.
all right. I'll hit somebody. My goodness, dude.
Do I not have a split layout for this anymore? Dang. I'll have to find that.
All right.
Wait, they're all here. Why? Oh, it's because of the layout.
Yeah, I guess I should pull up my splits too.
Just so people can see, like, dude, what the heck is in my hair?
Do you want me? Well, I don't know that I can screen share my splits too, but
that's all right.
You know what?
Wait, that did show up.
Surely this won't go badly. Yeah, because I'm screen sharing my screen.
That's right.
Yeah, surely I won't run into this, right?
No chance.
I won't click on it.
Wait, why am I adjusting the live split window?
Okay, so then in that case, I'm not gonna.
Do I have a background?
We are gonna start at this screen, but I'm not gonna split until the run starts, because remember the run doesn't start until.
Right.
So that actually could cause a discrepancy between us, but it should be fine.
Should we start at the first portal? Just because that's where run starts?
Yeah, we could, because then we could go truly off of the time.
Mm-hmm. All right, we're using the Dream Swing background, by the way.
Okay. Dude, that's next. Holy crap. Dude, this mouse is crazy. I'm gonna freaking, like, jump off the edge. Probably would have done that anyway.
Oh, dude, hold up. Ads just started. We can't be having ads running during the unicorn race.
Yeah, dude, it's true. By the time Twitch ads are over, I'll be finished with the freaking game.
Mm-hmm. My sum of best is 10 seconds slower than
the world record. That's all good. Get that back.
I I was tempted when you said we'd be doing this to just like, all right, it's been so long, keyboard and mouse. I'll retrain my brain. It's not time for that yet.
Gotta win the race first.
Mm-hmm.
And technically, our PBs are only 20 seconds apart, but so like
The hardest 20 seconds.
yeah, well, yeah, that's true, but like I'm not gonna be doing strats to get me on that pace for sure, because
Right.
I'm not going for snow jump unless I'm literally green, which I am not gonna be green. There's no chance I'm
Really?
green.
Bro, you're
Yeah,
playing
no, I'm
it
not in a
safe.
race. Not in a race, dude.
What if we
Maybe if I'm behind.
gentlemen's agreement to do one attempt at it?
No.
Why not?
No. No. Because you don't miss it like I do. Gentlemen's
this-
agreement to not start runs until we get the candy cycle. Like, what the...
I mean, like, I'm gonna go for it.
Hey, you go for it, man. I'm gonna freaking be sitting pretty.
I'll be going for it if I feel comfortable on clouds. Like, I'm gonna set up for it.
Yeah. No, that is still for me probably like the thing that I find least consistent. Like candy cycle is harder, but it is more consistent when you're good at it.
I hope I can make this first jump. Anytime we come
Yeah,
back to the
I
game, I
don't-
struggle
yeah.
with this.
Dude, I struggle with it on controller too. I mean, I'm using this mouse too. It's like not what I'm
Alright.
used to.
We're good to go.
All right.
You
Count us
count us
down.
down.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Dang,
My splits didn't start.
I started too early.
Wait, my splits didn't start.
Alright, hold on. Let's just restart.
All right, yeah, it's because I had global hotkeys off. I guess I if I really stretch, I'll be hitting the splits, but it's probably fine.
Mm-hmm. Alright.
3, 2, 1, go. Pretty sure I've already missed the cycle.
I missed the jump.
Ooh, I didn't get the Oh, you died?
Yeah, I missed the jump.
Do you want to restart? Let's. We can restart on this because I don't want you like that's like a crazy amount of time lost right out the gate. That's like freaking. I don't even know what to compare it to. That's like.
Dude, you getting like LBLJ right away and me messing up.
Yeah, and it's like, dude.
Alright.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah. No!
Ooh. Wait, dude.
That
what
was
the
so
heck?
freaking stupid.
Why can't I remember? I couldn't even remember the strats of the green candy. What's the right route? Dude, it's been like it's actually been so. What am I doing, dude? It's a blind playthrough right now.
like my dumbest.
Do we go for this one? Dude, I honestly don't know what route I'm taking. I died. Blue candy didn't save me.
Dang.
Oh. All right, there's a chance.
Wow, the hitbox on that's wild. I just didn't jump on it off of it at all.
Could have sworn I jumped at like the latest possible time for that.
Wow. Hold on. You want to reset?
You might as well.
It's like... Dude, imagine a race starts and people miss LBLJ for 5 minutes. That would be so hype. I didn't expect to die after, like, the first section. I didn't expect to die in general, actually. Alright. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Rah. It's a lot harder to...
Dang.
I walked! Alright, I'm fine.
You're fine?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
You're not doing too hot right now.
Bro, what do you mean? I got the jelly, the bounce cancel.
Bro, I got that every single time. That's actually a complete lie. I did not get it the first time. But I don't ever miss that, so.
I didn't even go for it on my first attempt. Me here waiting for the green candy.
Dude, I missed that coin. Dude, it's canceling my jump? I've, like, never experienced this with these fence posts before. Like, I know how janky these fence posts can be, but they've never done, like, something like that. Like, they might kill my momentum or something, but it's just eating jumps.
I don't think we grabbed this, but I'm grabbing it because I can't remember.
Really?
Dude, what? That was the one though.
I'm
It's the
one.
white.
I'm
It's
the
the
only
white
one.
strip, right? It's not blue. Oh, it's definitely a white strip. What is going on? What is going
Dude,
on?
I'm killing myself! This is crazy! This is actually insane.
Want to restart?
Yeah.
Dude, when did blue candies get, like, hard?
Yeah, I didn't... I died trying to jump off of it.
I jumped too late because I was worried that would happen.
Yeah, well, that's what I mean. I jumped so late, I didn't jump.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Dude, I'm getting destroyed by this fence. I've never experienced this before. This fence is like rendering every input useless.
I've missed a coin in every single set. This sucks.
Did you just not go back for it?
No, I did. In the wide set. Excuse me? Why am I not getting triple jump?
What? That works.
It didn't give it to me. Like it just denied me my jump.
Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. Oh, not you. Shoot. Grah, give me it. Dude, yeah, I can't jump off of it anymore. It's like a lost mechanic.
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, we get to reset again. Dude, this is like actually, this mouse is too fast for this. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. That was close.
I didn't get a bounce on the first pad.
All right. This race is gonna go crazy when we get started.
Both of us make it out of candy, it's gonna go wild.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah.
Bro, I had such a good one. I was gaming. I got a fast bounce.
Oh.
Three, 2, 1, go.
Can't jump. I don't get it. Keep going. Oh, I was gonna say keep going.
No, you got this next time. I promise.
I think that time I didn't hit the actual corner. It was like slightly off to the side.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
I hit the bounce.
See, how you feel about that first jump is how I feel about
Snow jump.
yeah, like
Was that
I
the fence?
seriously do not understand. It's like it's invisible walling me. I'm like clearly getting on top of it, and it is just completely invisible walling me and pushing me off. Like I'm holding W, and I'm going backward.
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember that ever being a thing. Like you can have jankiness on the post where it like slows you down and stuff, but I just do like got more experience in this game than anybody else, and I just have I do not remember that ever being a thing.
Oh, I made it. Oh.
Dang.
Oh.
Surely you die in space. Where are you going?
Do we not go here in any percent?
Dude, there's no way you're for real. Bro, we haven't gone there since 1984.
My game tabbed itself out. That's kind of cool. Bro,
Yo, that goes hard.
I'm too 100% brained.
Surely. What the heck?
You're positive we don't go there?
Yeah, dude. It's like we were like testing it for like 2 minutes.
I mean, that was the original route, wasn't it? When we first picked up the game?
Yeah, 1984. Like I mentioned before.
Okay, no triple jump. That's cool. I didn't want it.
Okay.
No, I got platformed. It didn't give me the last jump? Okay.
Oh! I downsized my splits.
Why is it not giving me triple jump?
Dude, they're so small. Dude, they're so freaking small. Alright, whatever.
Oh, I thought I had it.
Alright. Where do I go here? Straight.
I'm still facing towards the key, right? Yeah. Oh, 751.
What a goat.
Dude, where's that on the leaderboard?
I think
Surflet,
it'd be
that's
fourth.
better than Surf,
Yeah.
or worse than Surf.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, you're right, fourth.
What? How did I not get it?
Man, the absolute dominance of this game. Team Ball is just crazy.
Yeah. Something like that.
Still would have been nice. Ooh, that was risky.
Yeah, listen, no. Surely that's not it.
Don't you start with a triple jump, don't you? Oh, I forgot. You carry the stored jump
Yeah,
a bit higher.
I couldn't remember. Except I need to be on the cycle that the game is on when you're actually down here.
Right. Oh, that was a big shoulder pop. Get it? Ah.
Goddamn wash.
Wait, what? Hey, man, do we go on that windmill thing?
Okay, shut up. We do not go on that freaking windmill.
What do you mean? What other 5-set are you grabbing?
No. We legitimately do not go on that windmill.
Dude, tell me what other 5-set there is in this level.
No, it's... Dude, what?
I see 2 presents. I see 3 presents.
No, there's a lot of coins in here.
Let me... Hold on.
No,
100%
no.
show rules. 58 coins in space.
Okay, you know what?
So
While I got time.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
That's better.
Yeah. Well, it was supposed to be like this the whole time. But unfortunately.
58.
Stop.
So I saw 3 presents. No, the only other 5-pack is across the rainbows, right? And we definitely don't do that. We only go over there for... Oh, wait, that's just a single present. So that's 54. What are the other ones you're missing? You grabbed those ones, right? Yeah. Wait, you
Did I
didn't grab the
miss
present?
a bunch of single presents?
Hold up, did you grab the 4-pack down there?
The 4-pack. Oh, yeah.
Okay, but you didn't grab that present. You do normally
Yeah, I
grab
don't
that one.
think... Do we?
Yeah, because you jump from present to present on that part.
I thought we didn't do that with the new route. Of which you would have no experience with, realistically, so...
Yeah.
But
I was there to
I
help
cannot be
guide it.
missing this many, though. What am I missing?
Dude, I
I can grab that! Holy crap.
Dude, what the heck were you doing?
Dude, I freaking I was wondering why. I was
Where'd
like,
you go?
I came up here, I beelined it towards this fence, and I like did this. And I was like, dude, that's a cool strat. I freaking
In what
Good
world
lord.
have we ever done anything remotely close to Dude, you're yeah. You're
And
looking
then
at
that would
me
leave
weird
that
for
one
taking the
present.
windmill. Something that used to be part of the route. So it's that, and then I think
Hey.
that bottom present.
Yeah. That's crazy.
And that was about to be a respectable 6th place.
Yeah, but now it's just dead last. Can I like do this?
I was having trouble with that triple jump as well. Oh, you could have gone for a second try.
I was trying to go for it a different way. See that strat? It's the backup strat. Backup strat for if you miss 5 coins. Huh.
Dude didn't have his controller plugged in. What's he doing?
Well, it is. I just. Not a close race, man.
That was it was a good. Did you go for snow jump because you were behind?
Yeah. Because I was like, I don't know. Space has the. Well, I thought, or at least I thought, was going to be like the least contest. Like, we're just both going to go at relatively the same pace through it. So
Mm-hmm.
I was like, my snow was definitely faster than yours, I think. But you were already ahead because I died in the candy.
Right. Let's see. Candy I had just enough. So candy I followed the right path. Snow I had 4 extra coins. Space I ended up having, I think, like 4. I probably grabbed like, well, yeah, I would have
Trying
grabbed
to see
like
my
5
split
extra
times
coins.
here.
Take it any green? No. This is my first run with actual like between
Yeah.
level splits.
Yeah, I think it is. Dude, I cannot do this with this mouse. It's like so light. I'd have to change the DPI to like half. Well, okay, it's nice how fast it moves, but my level entrance muscle memory is all messed up.
Right. What's the next pivot?
We go to bed. What's need to be saved? Sure.
Yeah, like the 4 resets we had.
Yeah. Let's do the weekly dream swing. I'm probably only gonna take like 1 shot at it.
Okay.
I know I say that, and then I'll probably want to do like 20 of them. Unless I get like 99, I'm not gonna